Vidya Nigam, and I'm a student of 5-year BLLB course, and currently I'm in my last semester of law degree. I'm doing my BLLB course from Bhopal, Barkatullah University. Honestly speaking, like the world of cinema always fascinated me, and I was in theater. I used to do theater for a couple of years. I did theaters, so I always had this connection with the media industry and cinema. So when I was in my fourth year of law school, we had this optional subject called as a media law. So like only the theoretical part was taught to us, and I would say just the 20% was taught to us. But still, that was a triggering point for me that okay, I have to know more about the subject, and I started gaining interest in that subject. And so I was searching for the course in which I can explore the subject, in which I can know more about the subject. Then I came across LawSikho, and luckily they were providing me with the certificate course in media and entertainment law. So without giving it a thought, I just applied for the course. So that was the backstory of choosing this course and objective of doing this course. First of all, the drafting of various agreement, which I always wanted to learn, like the proper way of drafting, what guidelines we need to consider, and what clauses we need to inculcate in it. So, like to name some of them, I would say I learned how the films have been distributed in theatrical and non-theatrical release, how it's been done. Then I learned about the OTT platforms, like since they are not regulated by any statutory bodies, so what compliances we need to follow. Then I learned about various agreements. I literally drafted various agreements like the novation agreement. I would say the agreements related to like the agreements which take place between the producer and the actors and various other parties, I would say. Then I learned about the copyright infringement, personality and character rights. Then even I learned about the Copyright Act, like how it is related to this media and entertainment industry. Then even I learned about Cinematograph Act. So various agreements I basically drafted, and it gave me more clarity to the subject. And secondly, I would say what I learned was the article writing, because before that I knew how to write an article, but the proper way of structurizing it, like what things we need to include in it, how to research on the topics which we need to write upon, so that it can get published. So that was the guidance which was given to me by LawSikho, I would say. And now I can confidently write an article, I would say. Then third, I would say about the CV writing, because I think every professional should know how to properly write a CV. So it was like LawSikho provided me the proper guidance on how to write a CV, the do's and don'ts, what we should include and not. So yes, I learned about this, and even the theoretical and practical aspects of the subject. When we had this online sessions, which was conducted by Ritisha ma'am, and I would say that she conducts the session very properly and in a very beautiful way. She clears each and every doubt. So whenever I had the doubt, she used to clear on the spot in the live sessions, I would say. And even I contacted her 1-2 times for like if it was not like it was not clear in the live session, she cleared in the through WhatsApp or just like that. So all the doubts were cleared. Till now, I haven't done the internship related to media and entertainment law, but yes, I've written articles. So it's now helping me to learn how to research and how to properly draft and how to go through it. So yes, and even I'm just posting some posts on LinkedIn also, like the topics which have been taught to us in the class. So it is giving me more clarity that what we should research on the topic and how it works, the industry works, and how agreements take place between the parties. So yes. One thing which I like to tell is that which I found best about LawSikho course was that the course structure, I would say, because it was so properly designed and it was so properly organized, well organized, I would say. Like each and every topics were included right from the theoretical to practical aspects. And the assignments which were given to us, like every 1 or 2 week, it was given to us. So the exercise which were given to us on assignments, it was really interesting to do that. And one more thing which I like the best about this course, I would say Law Seco team, was that the webinars which were conducted, because I think it gave us more clarity on not just the media and entertainment course, on various other subjects related to law, I would say. And even I learned many things from the LMS group, which was like the reading material which was provided to us. So yes, I would just say like this. And even the feedback session which was given to us based on our assignments, we were provided the feedback session.